Welcome to the Ripto Win channel. Today we will talk about the price of Tezos for the next few weeks. Like and subscribe to the channel before watching this video. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 Bitcoins among all who subscribed. Florence is the 6th Tezos update. It was initiated by Nomadic Labs, Marigold, Dai Lambda, and Terides. 171 bakers voted on their proposals. They account for 61% of the vote. Expansion of the maximum size of operations from 16 to 32 kilobytes. The size of the smart contract has been doubled. Developers can create more complex applications, optimize gas consumption. The platform executes complex smart contracts at a lower cost, reordering the links between smart contracts. Previously, they were addressed according to the breadth first principle, now it is depth first. It is easier for developers to design links between smart contracts. Changing the process of making edits. The update disabled the testnet feature in the Tezos economic protocol. In practice, it has never been used. Recall that in February 2021, the EDO update was activated on the platform. Tezos implemented Scasha's sapling library, and in April, gaming giant Ubisoft became the corporate validator of the Tezos network. Earlier in the same month, the Société Générale conglomerate issued securities on the Tezos blockchain. French gaming giant Ubisoft, known for Assassin's Creed and Far Cry, has joined the Tezos blockchain ecosystem as a corporate validator, baker. Ubisoft noted that the company continues to explore blockchain through the Strategic Innovation Lab. As a validator on the Tezos network, the company plans to experiment with the liquid proof of stake, LPOS, consensus mechanism and explore the technology's potential for the future of gaming. Earlier, the baker in the Tezos network was a division of the French energy company EDF Group, which billionaire Elon Musk views as an investment component. In March 2021, European insurance firm Wacom also joined the platform's ecosystem as a corporate validator. Recall that the financial conglomerate Société Générale has released the first structured product in the form of security tokens on the Tezos public blockchain. Subscribe to Forklog News on Telegram. Forklog feed all news feed, Forklog the most important news, infographics and opinions. Financial conglomerate Société Générale has released the first structured product in the form of security tokens on the Tezos public blockchain. The securities were fully signed by the insurance division of the group. According to the press release, the deal completes a new milestone in the development of Forge's subsidiary, which aims to offer Société Générale's professional client services for structuring, issuing, exchanging and storing cryptoassets by 2022. The product is based on €5 million medium-term bonds, EMTN. Société Générale noted that the use of DLT technology provides, increasing the efficiency and smoothness of financial transactions, an unprecedented opportunity to structure products, reduce time to market, automated corporate actions, increasing the transparency and speed of transactions and settlements, reduction in the number of intermediaries and, as a result, costs. For a digital services-oriented insurer, this is not the first experience in distributed ledger technology. In 2018, Wacom was one of the first in the industry to use a SaaS product from the Sequence project. In 2020, the firm switched to the open-source solution Quorum, the enterprise version of Ethereum. By the end of the year, Wacom will complete blockchain management automation of more than 550,000 insurance contracts and claims. We are deeply convinced that smart contracts and blockchain, based on decentralized automated management tools and leading to reasonable operational costs, guarantee consumers complete transparency and immutability of their contracts. This is the future of insurance, said CEO Olivier Gélot. Do you like our video? Like and subscribe to the channel. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 Bitcoins among all who subscribed.